In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish events and calendars in Google Calendar efficiently and with ease. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to launch Google Calendar. Open your web browser and head over to the Google Calendar website. Once you're logged in, you'll see your calendar's main interface. If you have multiple calendars, they're likely listed on the left side of the screen. Next, take a look at your calendar list on the left side and find the specific calendar that you want to publish. Hover your mouse over it to reveal additional options. Here's a helpful tip. Make sure you're picking the right calendar, as publishing will make it publicly available. Once you've confirmed your choice, click on the options symbol, which looks like 3 vertical dots. Clicking there will open a small drop-down menu. From that menu, go ahead and click on Settings and Sharing. This will guide you to the calendar's settings page where we'll make the necessary changes to prepare your calendar for publishing. Scroll down to the section labeled Access Permissions for Events. Here, you'll find options that control who can see your calendar. Check the box that says Make Available to Public. Make sure you're comfortable with making your calendar public, as this setting will allow anyone with the link to view it. A prompt will pop up asking you to confirm this action. Click OK to proceed. After confirming, right under the public option, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select See All Event Details to allow viewers to see detailed information about each event on your calendar. This ensures that when you share your calendar, others can see exactly what's planned. Now, let's move on to integrating your calendar into a website or for sharing elsewhere. Scroll further down until you encounter the Integrate Calendar section. Here, you'll find an embed code. This code can be copied and used to display your calendar on a website or shared wherever HTML can be used. If you're looking to publish just a single event instead of an entire calendar, return to the main calendar page. Locate the date where the event is scheduled or click the Create button to set up a new event. Once the event details are ready, click on More Actions located in the event window. There you'll find an option you can click on labeled Publish Event. Selecting this will provide you with a URL or an embed code specifically for that event, rather than the whole calendar. This is perfect for those times when you need to invite others to a specific occasion without exposing your entire schedule. And that's it. This is how you can easily publish events or your entire calendar using Google Calendar. I hope you found this instructional guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.